Tired of fumbling for change every time you hop on a bus or subway in Canada? Then the Presto card is your ticket to seamless travel across major cities like Toronto, Hamilton, and Ottawa. We're going to show you how to master this convenient transit payment system in just a minute and a half first. Let's get your hands on a Presto card. You can purchase them at Shoppers Drug Mart, customer service outlets at major transit stations, or even online at Presto Card.ca. Once you have your card, it's time to load it up. You can add funds online through the Presto website or app, at self-serve reload machines in stations, or at participating retailers. Now for the easy part, tapping. Simply hold your Presto card flat against the Presto reader until you see a green checkmark and hear a confirmation beep. To avoid ever running low on funds, set up Autoload. This automatically reloads your card when your balance dips below a certain amount. Manage this and check your balance through the Presto app, available on both iOS and Android. Students, seniors, and youth, listen up. Make sure you set your card to your appropriate fare type to receive discounted rates. Visit a customer service outlet with your ID to verify your eligibility. The Presto card is valid on various transit systems, offering a unified way to pay across different modes of transportation. Plus, you often get a slightly cheaper fare compared to paying with cash. So ditch the hassle of cash and embrace the ease of Presto. With this guide, you're now set to navigate Canadian public transit effortlessly. Happy travels!